All right, so welcome. This is a quick video tutorial on the wedding march. Okay, so we're going to kind of work through all the steps so that you know exactly what to do. All right, so let's swing over here. Okay, so looking at our keyboard, the first thing we want to know is our hand position, and you should know right hand is on C, finger number 2 on D, finger number 3 on E, finger number 4 on F, finger number 5 on G. This is our right hand. Okay, so we have our right hand all lit up, and then our left hand, we have finger number 1 on C, finger number 2 on B, finger number 3 on A, finger number 4 on G, finger number 5 on F. So we're working with all of these keys if I press them all down. And as you know, middle C is going to be shared with finger 1 on the right and finger 1 on the left. Okay, so let's look at the wedding march. I'm in the hand position. I have written the notes just to help reinforce what we already know, but I will be taking those letter names down. So here we are. We have G, C, 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 right? Then we have G, D, B, C. Okay, so that's how we play the first 4 measures. Now let's erase that so that we can move on. So I'm going to take a big eraser and just erase this really good. Okay. All right. So let's move on. And now we're going to go to measure 5. Let's get a pen. Okay. So here's measure 5. All right, and we're going to do 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this time I'm not going to write the letter names, but we know it's G, C, F, F, E, D, C, B, C, D. Okay, and so the way that should go is we have G, C, F, F, E, D, C, B, C, D. Okay. All right. And so now we're going to move on to measure number 9. I'm going to erase this, get this out, and we're going to go to measures 9, 10, 11, and 12. And I know you can't see my mouse, but here is 9. We're going to do 10, 11, and 12. Now measure 9, we have G, C, 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 G, D, B, C. Okay, so let's do measure 9. 1, 2, ready, and G, C, 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 right? And then we have G, D, B, C. Okay, and let's erase the circle from measure 9. And now you betcha we're now at measure 13. Circle 13 there. We're going to do 13, 14, 15, and 16. Here are our double bar lines right here at the end, always letting you know you're at the end of your piece. Okay, so that lets us know we are finished, but I'm going to erase that double bar line because we're still working through each of the measures. So let's see if I can get a little bit better of an eraser here. Okay, there we go. All right, so now let's look at measure 13. We have G, C, E, G, E, C, A, D, E, C. Okay, and what I'll do, because that's a little bit tricky, is I'll write those letter names in. So we have, let's see, do I have a pen? So we have G, C, And then you know this is E, G, right? And then we have E, C, A, because this is on the fifth line of the bass clef. And then we have D, E, C. Okay, so let's listen to measures 13 through 14, 15, 16. Okay, 1, 2, take your time. G, C, E, G, E, C, A, D, E, C. Okay, so that is a quick breakdown of the wedding march. Okay, so hopefully that should help you, and we'll put it all together. All right. All right, so now let's put it all together with the backing track. In your Google Classroom, you will notice very slow, slow, and normal. Be sure to go through the different tempos before you get to normal. So in this presentation, I will be demonstrating the normal tempo, okay? So here we go for the wedding march. Okay, get ready. Mhm. All right, good job.